Okay, let's start HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. HTML is a language used to create websites. HTML is used in every website to create website. It's like blueprint that tells the web browser how to display the website. Okay, finally, what is the HTML? HTML is used to create websites, and it's like a blueprint of the website, like which content will be displayed, like that. Okay, why HTML is important? It can use it for build websites, make content look good, help search engines, make website accessible, work on all devices. Here, build websites. HTML is necessary for every website. Okay, HTML is necessary for creating website. Yes. Make content look good. HTML helps format text, images and videos. HTML is used to format font tags, so that's why we can use format text, images and videos. Help search engines. HTML helps search engines understand the website content. Okay, help search engines like which website is this, that content will be displayed. That's why we can use help search engines. Make websites accessible. HTML ensures websites are usable by everyone. It is user friendly. Like that we can make website accessible for everyone. Work on all devices. Yes, it can work on all devices and all browsers like phone, laptop, tab, like that. Okay, let's see what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript and why we can use. Here let's see real-time example. HTML is the foundation and structure. Okay, think of HTML like building a house. First we can start a house, we can see the foundation. So HTML is the foundation and structure of the house, and next we can choose interior design, colors, like that. So here CSS is the interior designer and decoration. Okay, JavaScript like electricity, pumping, like some accessories, like that. It is user comfortability, like that. But that's why you can use JavaScript. Here HTML is the foundation and structure, CSS is the interior design, JavaScript is the user comfortability things. That's it. HTML is the starting points and it is essential for creating a strong and fundamental website. Yes, HTML is used for creating strong and functional websites, and it is user friendly also. Okay, let's see basic HTML structure. Here doc type, HTML, head tag, title, head is closed, open body tag, h1 content, body, HTML. Okay, this is the basic structure of HTML. So here question is, why always doc type is capital? Because of it is case insensitive. That's why we can use always in capitals. Here doc type is the declaration of the document, and HTML tag, head tag, which content will be displayed, which is head. So here we can write it on title, so it is document. Next go to body. In body tag it can have h tag. H means heading tags. In body contain the website, like body tag contains the content of the website. Okay, doc type is the declaration, and these all tags are the elements. Let's see HTML tags. Heading tags like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. These 6 are enough. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Here we can have heading tags, paragraph tags and link tags. These all are used for the define the structure and content of the web page. Here heading tag, why we can use? Here we can define the structure or content. That's why we can use heading tags of a web page. Okay, paragraph tag for, let's see, paragraph, some hello, we can use like that, and anchor tags, some we can paste some link, href is equal to some one.png, no, like www dot some example .com. Okay. Next, attributes. Let's say attributes. Attributes can have id, class, style, href, src. Here HTML attributes provide additional information about an element. Here these all are can provide additional information about these elements. Example, here id means identification. Okay, class means styling, href means link, source means src means source of the content. Here id means we want to identify the what is this, like that. Class means we want to style, like that, like color grading, like that. href means we want to connect another website or another link, like that. Source means src means source of the content. Here schematic html. Schematic html can contain header, navbar, main, section, footer. Here it is important for every website. Header means top, nav means this content. Further we can see, don't worry. Schematic HTML uses meaningful element names define the structure and okay. Here header, navbar, main, section, footer means it is the content of the web page, like it can divide the parts of a web page. Here is header, it is navbar, main, section, footer, like that. HTML uses meaningful element names to define the structure and content of a web page. That's why we can use this all elements. Here form tags. Form tag means it can form the every content, like visible goodly. Form, input, text area, select, button. Here HTML forms are used input, like user input which we want to give. Form elements define the form, while input, text area, these all can define the field button, like define the form fields and buttons, like button tag can create button, select tag can select the this line, or like the text area we want to write some area to text, that's why we can use input. It is we want user friendly. Form tag can order this all in organized order, that's why we can use form tag. Here I also can give you practical knowledge. Create a simple HTML page with heading, paragraph and link. Okay, we can see the doc type. Why we can always doc type is in capital, because of case insensitive, that's why we can use. HTML head, title. Here it can display the which type of page, simple HTML page. Body, h1, heading tag, welcome to my web page. Paragraph, this is a simple HTML page. Href, anchor tag, href. Here what is href? So let's check. Href is an attribute here. Okay, it is heading tag, it is also heading tag, it is anchor tag. Href is an attribute. Okay, we want to see output, comment this, let's run. Welcome to my web page. Here this is h1 content. Why it is in bold letter? Because of h1 priority. H1 can be visible in bold letters. This is a simple web page. It is a paragraph tag. Visit example dot. I can set it and link here. Visible. Some content. That's it.